Hey guys, it's Sam from HiViz LED Lighting and the FireTech brand, and today I am super excited to show you a new product that we're excited to release that mates to the BG2 lighting system. This is the BG2 User Interface Panel, and what this allows us to do is simplify the control of a very complex, very sophisticated lighting system that's the BG2 system. So the way these things work is you can lay BG2s out all over your vehicle. You can have ones down the body, on the sides of the cab, on the front of the cab, on the rear, all over the vehicle. And what this panel allows you to do is communicate with all of those fixtures at one time and create a simple coordinated lighting system as you pull up on an emergency incident. When you look at the panel, there's two different sections. There's the middle section, which is really dealing with the traffic control functionalities and scene lighting when you want to have maximum dexterity over which part of the fire truck you're lighting up. And the right side is your all-on functionality for scene lighting. If you think about it as use these when you're on the roadway, if you're trying to control traffic, and these when you're in parking lots, you're in large areas where you're not really concerned about traffic control, I'll dive into the functionality of each now. So when you look at this section over here, if you want to have the traffic directors that you've got all around the vehicle go from like the back right corner, wrapping over to the left, and then up the left side of the vehicle, and you want the right side to be your scene lights. For instance, you pull up on an emergency incident, you're blocking one lane of traffic, the right's where your wreck is, the left is where traffic is. It's super easy. As you drive, you'll pull up on scene, you'll press traffic left, traffic forward, and then on the other side, you'll press scene lights, and then bam, your whole system's set up. The whole right side of the truck, all of the lights turn into high output scene lights. The left side of the truck, your whole system turns into traffic directors. You're not blinding traffic with scene lights on the left, and you're not wasting warning light functionality on the right in the area where you're working, kind of upwind or up road from the fire truck. What's cool is on this indicator here, you'll actually be able to see the different functionality will be indicated on little LEDs that flash around the vehicle. So if you're sitting in the driver's seat or you're sitting in another area of the vehicle, you'll see the indicated functionality of where your traffic directors are or where your warning modes are, so that you don't have to get out and look at the truck. Now you can install multiple button panels on a vehicle. You can have up to 16 of these things in any given truck configuration. We've had some customers that want to do, one in the officer's seat, one in the driver's seat, and then one like on the pump panel, and so that's totally possible with the way this thing is designed. The other cool feature is that you can control in the configuration utility, you can control some of the functionality like choosing your warning modes or choosing your different power settings. There's a bunch of different settings you can choose to set this thing up specifically based on how your rig and your lighting system is configured. And so for more information about that, reach out to a FireTech team member. We can dive into that whole training module for configurations and that sort of thing. For more information about the FireTech BG2 lighting system or the BG2 User Interface Panel, which is the most simple way to control a very complex and sophisticated lighting system, reach out to a FireTech team member and we'll look forward to getting you more information. Have a great day and stay safe.